Hello class 1 children. Today we will continue with the same topic, that is what? Replace word from your English grammar book chapter 6. What are these replace words? Replace words we use in place of a naming word like I, you, he, she, they, we and it. So yesterday we had done page number 31 and 32 and today we will do page 33 and 34. So kindly take out your book. We are going to do page 33. So English grammar book page 33. Look at the images. We are in a garden. We are happy. So the replace word we, when are we using? When we talk about more than one person. 2, 3, 4 and when you yourself are included, when I am included in it. So then we write the word we. The dog and cat are pet animals. They are brown in color. So when do we use they? When we talk about more than one thing, animal, person, but you are not included. That means myself is not included. They are brown in color. We are talking about animals. So we use they for animals also. More than one. Number 3. Sunita and Amit are my neighbors. They are my friends. So again, they, more than one person, where I am not included. That means yourself you are not included. They are my friends. There are some flowers. Okay, here in the vase you see some flowers in the vase. They are pink in color. We, more than one person. So we use more than one person. They, more than one person or thing. Am is always used with I. As I told you in the beginning itself, am is always used with the replace word I. Is used with he, she and it. Why is? Because he, she, it is used for one person. Okay. Are is used with you. You, as I told you, you is used for one person or for more person. For one person or more than one. More than one. So we use, for plural, we use are. Are is used with we and they. Again we and they when we are talking about more than one person. That means becomes what? Plural. More. Many. So we use are. So just remember, am is used with I. Is used with single person, he, she and it or one thing. Are is used with you, we and they. So let's do the brain teasers. Write the second part of the following sentences using he, she or it. So what you are going to do is, we will discuss this and you are going to write in the English language copy. Number 1. Raman is a good boy. Raman goes to school daily. So which replace word we are going to put here? Boy. So which one we are going to use? He. So we will replace the word Raman with the replace word he. Now you can write, your answer will be Raman is a good boy. Full stop. He goes to school daily. Number 2. Mary is a girl. Then Mary is very beautiful. Again we are repeating the same name. So we have to replace the naming word with which one? She. Mary is a girl, full stop. Then she is very beautiful. Is, remember when to use is? He, she, it, singular person, one person. Number 3. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. So, replace word, which one we are going to use? It. It is only one thing. Okay, so we are going to use it. Remember, is for one. Next page. Number 4. I live in Haridwar. Haridwar is a temple town. So, Haridwar is a place. What am I going to write here? It. It is a temple town. Number 5. My elder brother's name is Tarun. Tarun looks handsome. So we are talking about what? Boy, Tarun. So which replace word? He or she? We'll use he. For boy, he. Number 6. Richa has a doll. Richa calls the doll Barbie. Again, same word. Richa and Richa here again. So we are going to replace with she. Okay. So this is what you will do it in your English grammar copy. You will replace the word. You will not underline. You will just, when you write the answer, you will write Richa has a doll, full stop. She calls the Barbie doll. Now, page 34b. Fill in the blanks with we, you or they. Look at the first one in the picture. I am Saurav. She is Sarita. So, I is also included and she. What will I write here? We, you or they? We are brother and sister. Because I am also included in it. More than one person, 2 person. Now, we dash go to the same school. So, here again we write we go to the same school. Number 2. He is my father. She is my mother. So, what? So, look here. He is my father. She is my mother. Okay. So, I'm stating to someone saying that he is my father and she is my mother. So, here it becomes they. They are my parents. They love me. Number 3. Amita and Anita are dancers. Dash dance very well. Then here also, what? They. Talking about 2 people. They dance well. Dash study in my school. They study in my school. Number 4. Ankit and I live in the same building. So here when I is included, which replace word we will write? We. We are neighbors. We play together. Number 5. Will dash come for the picnic? So there are, look at the picture, 2 boys talking. So one is asking the other one. So one person talking to the second person, talking to some other person. Will you come for the picnic? Will you bring some games? Then 2 people here. This boy and the other one. 2 people, including this boy. So here it becomes what? We will have fun. So children, kindly do the assignment that is that I have discussed with you on page 33, and then please revise the replace words. Till then, take care and thank you children.